So for our master bedroom, we wanted to emulate kind of like a hotel with some pleated curtains and a curtain rod that's mounted to the ceiling. And what's really nice about it is that the curtains slide really nicely on here. So we got these, we have 9-foot ceilings, and we got these long linen curtains for the room. And I think they look really nice. I feel like they bring up the how the room looks. Installation was pretty easy, probably easier than the normal mount because we just put it directly onto the ceiling and screwed it in. We didn't have any trouble with the installation process. This one would be a really simple DIY if you wanted to do it yourself. And it just gives the room a nice clean look. Also, when you mount curtains like right up on the ceiling, it tends to make your room look taller and more grand. Would definitely recommend.